Hi, I'm Deborah. Welcome to EDH Gardens. Today I'm going to build more terrarium domes. We found our first terrarium domes were really successful at protecting our seeds as they sprouted, and the seedlings are now growing up over the edges of the cup, so we need more. This is a large cup. It's about a 4-inch diameter. We're also going to use one medium-sized rubber band and some plastic wrap. So I simply pull the wrap out, cut about a 6-inch piece. Usually one piece is going to give me enough for 2 covers. It's pretty fragile though. So I've got my materials, and now I'm going to cut the cup bottom off. So these cups are really slippery. The slippery nature of the cup is actually an advantage in the garden because it helps protect the seeds as they're sprouting from the little crawling predators that are there in the garden that might like to eat the sprouts as they pop out of the soil. We're going to put this down in the soil about 1 inch. So once I've taken the bottom off, it's time to put the plastic wrap cover on. It's pretty easy. Got the plastic wrap and just slide the rubber band down over. And we need to provide for ventilation inside this terrarium dome. Make sure the sprouts can respire. So we simply put about 4 slits in the top, and we've got our beautiful nurturing environment for the seeds as they sprout. Hi there, I'm Deborah. We're down in the shade house. I've made about 20 new terrarium dome covers, and I'm going to plant some lettuce. We found that the previous terrarium dome plantings were really successful. We've got one right here in this patch of shade house garden, and we're going to add more. So this is a really vibrant area of our garden. Last night we had a couple foxes in here. Saw them carry off a mole, which is really nice. Saw some digging in here last night. I'm guessing the foxes were looking for good stuff. We've raked out the garden, and we're ready to add the new seeds. Putting in my favorite lettuce variety, New Red Fire. This variety of lettuce really lasts here in the garden. So we put about 3 seeds in. They require light for germination. So our translucent terrarium dome covers should allow them to get the light they need. We'll mist the seeds lightly, then add the cover. Making sure to include the seeds. Rotate the cover, push it down about 1 inch, and those seeds are going to be protected from the environment while they germinate. Once they germinate, the seeds themselves will be protected from dehydration by the plastic cover. Once they've grown up above the cup, we'll simply remove the cover. It's the end of August, and we've planted a lot of new greens in our garden. I look forward to harvesting these right on into September and October. The terrarium domes are an incredible find. I'm just so pleased with how they're working for us. Let us know how they work for you. Subscribe, check back, see how our garden is growing.